Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Install the Spacedesk driver on the Windows PC and the Spacedesk Viewer app on your tablet. Make sure both devices are on the same local network or enable USB tethering if Wi-Fi is unstable. Once the driver is installed, open the Spacedesk server on the PC so it begins broadcasting. If Windows prompts for firewall access, allow the app. This ensures the tablet can discover the PC. After that, leave both apps open and move to the next step. On the tablet, open Spacedesk Viewer and tap the PC entry that appeared. The app uses the server broadcast to list available machines. Once connected, select the display mode, extend for extra workspace or duplicate for mirroring, and pick a resolution and compression level to balance quality versus latency. If you need touch input, enable it in the viewer and in Windows display settings. Make sure tablet orientation and scaling match your workflow. Finally, arrange displays in Windows display settings so cursor travel and window snapping behave predictably. Complete the setup by testing pointer, touch, and audio. Reposition windows and save preferred display sizes. If you need lower latency, switch to USB tethering or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and reduce resolution or increase compression for smoother motion. Once everything works, you can pin Spacedesk to start up on the PC for convenience. If something goes wrong, first verify the Spacedesk driver is running and Windows Firewall allows inbound traffic. Also confirm both devices are on the same subnet and that router client isolation is disabled.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.